Coming into the third round of the Pro Motocross Series at Thunder Valley, we have an injury update, and that is Seth Hammaker, Pro Circuit Kawasaki rider, will not be making the weekend. With a post on his Instagram, as far as I'm recording this a few hours ago, saying, quote, "Bummed I will be missing Thunder Valley this weekend. Had a crash in Moto 2 last weekend and need some more time to recover. I'll get healed up and ready to see you guys at High Point." I read somewhere, don't quote me on this or whatever, I read somewhere that he's in concussion protocol, so who knows if that's true or if that's even the thing. But I mean, hey, it's an injury update. We don't get very much of these in general in this sport, and much less anything that actually says what's going on. So who knows? Hopefully, knock on wood, it's not super serious, and that he will make it back for the next weekend or next round, whatever you want to say. And who knows? So I'm going to leave you guys. Short video here, injury update, nice and quick. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Are you going to Thunder Valley? Are you going to any of the upcoming motocross races or whatever it is? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.